Going to school is normal in our society. If you are still studying or studied before, you should be a master in copying and pasting with all the assignments and projects from school. To add more, you should also be a master in using Google to find information for school. We also use Google in our daily life to find answers to our questions, even if it isn't related to school. These two skills, copying or pasting and searching on Google, are all you need to be successful for today's video. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Let us get started by the step we always do, opening your web browser. We will be providing you with the tools you need to earn thousands of dollars online. The first tool that we need is called Lightshot. To access Lightshot, type in the website shown here. Once you are on the Lightshot page, you should see two buttons that say Download for Windows and Download for Mac. Choose what is appropriate to the operating system you are using and click on the Download button. Lightshot will give you the ability to copy and paste images from websites you will need to access for this video. Do not forget to do this step, as this is vital for what we need to achieve today. There is no need for you to invent a product or start your new website. You just need to copy and paste with Google and expect to earn thousands of dollars. Go ahead and click the download button now, and a file will be downloaded to install the app. Once this step is completed, you will need to access the affiliate marketplace for affiliate offers we will need to promote. Did you do well in school? I know people who actually like doing assignments. Comment down below and join the conversation. If you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. For you to not miss out on new videos and uploads, click the notification bell. And while we are at it, hit like and subscribe too. Now, back to the video. In today's video, we will use digistore24.com for the affiliate marketplace that we will use because this is accessible worldwide. To get started with digistore24.com, you will need to create an account. Click on the register blue button on the upper right corner of the screen to create an account. Input usual details when creating an account, such as username, email address, and password. Once you have completed this step, press on the login button to enter your newly created Digistore. Once you have entered your Digistore, I want you to click on the marketplace. Look on the right side of the screen and you should find different affiliate offers that you will promote. It could be animals and pets, betting systems, or education. The options are available to you, so just choose one. For today, let us choose family and kids. You will see the amount you will have per sale. Some are $4, $5, and as much as $36 per sale. Go ahead and click on the Promote Now button. This is important as you will be given the affiliate link that you will share. Every time someone clicks on your affiliate link, you will be earning an affiliate commission if the person who clicked the link ended up buying what is on the link. What you need from the sales page is a video sale. Go ahead and open the sales page. In this case, if they have a video, this will be working towards your advantage as you can use this to share the link. Another great discovery for you. Stay with us to see what else we can offer. If you are enjoying this video, hit the notification bell for more. Like and subscribe if you think this will help you in reaching your financial goals this year. Now back to the video with more exciting features. Once you have found the sales video, this is when the Lightshot app that we installed at the beginning of this video will come in. Open up Lightshot app now and take a screenshot of the video to copy this video sales. To continue, open a Google Doc, which you can just search on Google, and the first result should be what you need. Open the Google Docs that should be blank, as you will paste the image you used Lightshot to copy on this Google document. Go back to the sales video and copy the text above the actual video. Using Lightshot again, take a screenshot of the text to copy and continue with pasting this on the Google document you have opened. This is important. You will need to create a call to action that should say, "Click here to watch the full video." Put this text in the middle, increase the size, make it bold, change the font, and make this text appealing. Now go back to the video box on the sales video using Lightshot again. Paste the video box on the Google document we are working on. Go back to Digistore and copy your affiliate link, and then go back to the Google document. On the "Click here to watch the full video" you typed, highlight the text and paste the affiliate link to make the text a hyperlink. This should make the text clickable. You need to attach the affiliate link on the video box you pasted as well. Right-click on the video box and paste your affiliate link. Every time someone opens the Google document, they should be able to access your affiliate link. There are a lot more that you can do to share your affiliate link, and you can be as creative as you want. Name the Google document you're working on with an intriguing and interesting name that people will want to open your link. Again, once they watch this video, they will be routed to the sales page. If they buy the product, you will get your commission. Go ahead and download the Google document as PDF to your computer. Once you have the PDF version of your document, proceed with the next website called Slideshare.net. Slideshare.net is being used by a lot of people who share their PDF documents. They get thousands of views. You will need to click on Upload. Find the PDF document you downloaded and put a title. Don't forget to choose a category under the Select a Category option. The category should be as close to what is in your PDF file. Add a description as well so people will know what to expect with your PDF file. Make it interesting. Add some tags and keywords to make your description rank higher and appealing to certain audiences. You also need to set the privacy as public. Once you're happy with this page, click on Publish. This document will go live on Slideshare.net, and anyone can click on the call to action we added as well as the actual video. When they click on any of these, they will get to the sales page, and again, if they buy the product, you will be getting your commission per sale. Share as many documents and products as you can to get more income. It now depends on you and how you will leverage this strategy. But we have given you all the needs and knowledge you need to get you started. For me, I add the affiliate links on YouTube videos in order to make money. I use free traffic from YouTube channels where I don't need to show my face. I get passive income from this as well as get paid by YouTube for driving traffic and from the ads showing on the videos where I am promoting my affiliate links. Because the videos also get a lot of views, I am getting more income from my affiliate commissions. The best part is YouTube pays to drive traffic to your affiliate links, where you also earn every time someone purchases a product from your link. You get paid on YouTube and get paid with the affiliate link. That is two sources of income in one strategy. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.